Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we will see how to create an account on Chatgpt. Also, I wonder why you want to create your Chatgpt account. It is because you have heard a lot about ChatGPT because it is in trend these days. Or maybe you want to do your assignment or anything, so you just want to use ChatGPT. Through it, you can do your work. Or maybe there's any other reason for you to use ChatGPT. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your account on ChatGPT. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to unlock your mobile phone and then you have to open a browser. It could be any browser of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, Safari or anyone. Whatever you like, you can easily open it. And once you open it, then you have to search for ChatGPT or maybe for OpenAI. You can search it from any one of these names. So whatever you search it, you will get to the right website. So here I'm just typing ChatGPT. As you can see, when I type it, here you can see this is the first link. You have to open it. Make sure that you open the same link, otherwise you will end up to the wrong website. So just simply click on the link and there you can see the website has been opened. From the top, as you can see, it says OpenAI. So OpenAI is the real website and ChatGPT is its product. So this is the interface of the app. This is how the app looks. So now what you have to do is you have to click on Try ChatGPT. This option, you just have to simply click on it, and once you click on it, we will get to the further options. Now it is asking if you want to log in or sign up. So if you have already an account, then you can log in, and if you don't have an account, then you have to click on sign up. So right now we don't have an account. We are here to create an account. So for that, I'll click on sign up and we'll see where it takes us. Now it will take a while, and after that it will ask us that how we would like to continue, by using which email. So if you want to use any of your personal emails, you can use this. Otherwise you can use your Google email, and you can use your Microsoft email. So whatever you want to use, you can use it. So here I have just clicked on Google. After that, I'll select any one of my emails that I want to use for my account. So now what you have to do is, once you have selected your email, now it's time to click on next. It will ask you about few permissions. You just have to keep clicking on next. It will ask you for like 2 to 3 times. You just have to click on next so that you could proceed and could make your account easily. And once you're done with all that, just click on done, and here you can see it is ready. Now your account on ChatGPT has been created successfully, and you can use it, can do whatever you want to do with this. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on ChatGPT. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.